I want to show you this new air pump that my wife got me. It would be great for keeping it in your car for emergencies or whatever. But so this, I'm going to use it on my lawnmower. But this is what it is. And it comes on, it has all the LED screens. You can go through and change the settings on whatever you want it to be. Because you can set it up. We have a car, a bike. I'm not sure what that is, but ball. So for the purpose of this, we're going to have it there. And all you do is screw it right on. That's all you got to do. It works great. You guys are going to love it. Get it in your orange cart down below.